Hi, Allie Bean. What do you got there? You got some puffs? Yeah? You gonna eat a puff for us?
Here, hold on, I'll get rid of one.
Go on and put that in your mouth. Ready?
Come on. Tasty.
What do you think?
Oh, that looks good. No puffs?
They're good, huh?
Not bad.
Yeah? You fought through that one? You want to try it again?
Ready? Here's another one. Good job, baby. Eat it up.
Good girl. Are they getting better? Oh, that's a better face. Oh.
One more.
Want to try again?
She likes them. Ready?
Please, Daddy, don't.
Yummy puffs.
Yummy. Num, num, num.
What do you think?
You going to eat it? Num, num. Good girl.